Hello and welcome to LenCo Recommendations video on top 5 best action cameras of 2023. These cameras are perfect for capturing your adventures and memories in high quality. Whether you are into sports, travel, or vlogging, you will find a camera that suits your needs. We have researched the information and features of each camera and ranked them based on their performance, durability, and user reviews. You can find the links to each product in the description below. So without further ado, let's get started with our list of the 5 best action cameras of 2023. Number 5. DJI Osmo Action 3. The DJI Osmo Action 3 standard combo has a lot of features that make it stand out from other action cameras. It has a 4K HDR video that delivers vivid yet natural details, even in high contrast scenarios. The 10-bit color depth captures over 1 billion colors, making your videos look more lifelike than ever before. One of the most impressive features of this camera is horizon steady. Whether you're skiing, skydiving, or biking around on bumpy terrain, horizon steady keeps things smooth and ultra-level for epic footage of even your wildest rides. The DJI Osmo Action 3 standard combo was built to endure. With a 160-minute max battery life, and even 150 minutes of continuous recording in temperatures as low as -20 degrees Celsius -4 degrees Fahrenheit, this camera was built to go wherever you do. The DJI Osmo Action 3 standard combo also has an easy vertical mounting feature. An innovative and effortless quick-release mounting design lets you securely mount the Action 3 camera on all of your favorite gear, even vertically, in just seconds. This camera is also waterproof down to 16 meters without requiring any additional accessories, letting you dive deep and explore further when underwater. The front and back touchscreens with hydrophobic coating let you vlog, take selfies, adjust parameters, and enjoy crystal clear playback, even with wet hands. Overall, the DJI Osmo Action 3 standard combo is an excellent action camera that's perfect for anyone who loves to capture their adventures. With its impressive features and durable design, it's sure to be a great addition to your gear collection. Number 4. GoPro Hero 10. One of the most impressive features of the Hero 10 is its revolutionary processor. The powerful new GP2 engine changes the game's snappy performance, responsive touch controls, and double the frame rate for amazingly smooth footage. Designed specifically for the demanding nature of the GoPro, the GP2 system on a chip is by far our fastest ever. The Hero 10 also offers high-res photos and videos with an incredible 23MP photos and 5.3K video resolution at 60 frames per second. Plus, there's 8x slow-mo at 2.7K, and you can pause videos and grab 15.8MP still photos from 5.3K video that look amazing. The image quality is unbelievable, with jaw-dropping 5.3K video with 91% more resolution than 4K and an incredible 665% more than 1080p. Hero 10 Black captures finer detail, more realistic textures, and better contrast than any Hero camera before it, even in low light. A new water-shedding hydrophobic lens cover that repels water and helps eliminate lens flare and other artifacts makes your photos and videos even more stunning. The HyperSmooth 4.0 feature has never been smoother, and it's easy to dial in the best stabilization at all times. Plus, get even better low-light performance and horizon leveling with a higher tilt limit, so your footage looks perfectly straight when you want it. Finally, fast, reliable connectivity makes transferring photos and videos from your cloud-connected GoPro to your phone simple and versatile. Overall, if you're looking for an action camera that can keep up with all of your adventures, then the GoPro Hero 10 Black is definitely worth checking out. Number 3. DJI Pocket 2. The DJI Pocket 2 is incredibly lightweight at only 116G and offers up to 140 minutes of battery life. It fits perfectly in the palm of your hand so that you can take it anywhere. The gimbal keeps the camera steady, even for long exposure shots and in low-light environments. The upgraded 1/1.7-inch sensor captures images with high image quality, and the sweeping 20mm f/1.8 lens provides a wide, vivid cinematic look. The DJI Pocket 2 has 4 microphones that offer sound recording in different directions, as well as audio zoom and soundtrack, which enhance audio based on the camera's direction and focus. Always share your best selfie with glamour effects. Boasting a 93 degrees angle view, Pocket 2 allows for more flexible capture and perfectly composed shots for social media. The AI editor automatically combines your clips with transitions and music to create share-worthy content. The DJI Pocket 2 is compatible with most smartphones through the DJI Mimo app, which requires iOS 11.0 and Android 7.0 or above. Overall, the DJI Pocket 2 is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a pocket-sized handheld gimbal stabilizer with high-quality image capture capabilities. It's perfect for vlogging, YouTube, TikTok videos, and more. With its lightweight design and long battery life, you can take it anywhere you go without worrying about running out of power. The enhanced audio features make it easy to capture great sound quality, while the glamour effects feature allows you to take perfect selfies every time. And with the AI editor feature, you can create share-worthy content in no time at all. Number 2. Insta360 ONE RS Twin Edition. The Insta360 ONE RS Twin Edition comes with flow state stabilization, which provides buttery smooth image stabilization no matter what lens you use. The powerful RS core now delivers flow state stabilization in camera when paired with the wide-angle lenses. This means you don't have to worry about editing your footage after you've captured it. Thanks to a new sensor, you can capture crisp 48MP photos, ultra-detailed 6K widescreen videos, and vibrant HDR action videos. This camera is also waterproof, so you can take it with you on all your adventures. One of the coolest features of this camera is the invisible selfie stick. You don't have to worry about ruining your shot with an ugly selfie stick anymore. The 360 lens makes the invisible selfie stick totally disappear from your shots for impossible drone-like footage and third-person perspectives. Overall, we think the Insta360 ONE RS Twin Edition is an excellent camera that's perfect for anyone who wants to capture stunningly detailed wide-angle videos and endless creative possibilities. Number 1. GoPro Hero 11. The Hero 11 Black captures the action with crisp detail and cinematic image quality. With 5.3K video that gives you 91% more resolution than 4K and an incredible 665% more than 1080p, you can be sure that your videos will look stunning. A water-repelling lens cover even helps eliminate lens flare and other artifacts to make your photos and videos even more stunning. The Hero 11 Black's new image sensor boosts photo resolution up to an incredible 27MP while delivering 5.3K 60 video with amazingly fluid motion that you can use to grab stunning 24.7MP stills of your favorite shots. Plus, record 2.7K 240 video that can be played back in 8x slow-mo to catch details that can't be seen at normal speed. This camera is perfect for those who love to capture their adventures and share them with others. It's waterproof, so you can take it with you on all your water-based activities without worrying about it getting damaged. It's also incredibly easy to use, with a simple interface that makes it easy to navigate through all of its features. Overall, we highly recommend the GoPro Hero 11 Black waterproof action camera for anyone who loves to capture their adventures and share them with others. It's an incredibly powerful camera that's packed full of features, yet it's incredibly easy to use. That's it for our video on the 5 best action cameras of 2023. We hope you enjoyed watching and found it helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel LenCo recommendations for more videos like this one. We have many more product reviews and recommendations coming your way. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.